Each of us has the ability to feel gratitude and share it with others. At times, we lose sight of everything that we're grateful for. Right now, we are not in our normal routines. We're not communicating the same way. We're finding new ways. I am grateful for this opportunity to tell my three daughters, especially Lucy, Audrey, and Maureen, how grateful I am and how much gratitude of all the things that you're doing on the home front while I'm spending my days at fighting COVID for St. Clair County.
What I'm thankful for is being surrounded with wonderful family and friends, and particularly during this very difficult time, having the opportunity to work with a great group of people to help out the people of St. Clair County.
I'm very thankful for all of our healthcare workers, all of our first responders, and all the people in the community staying safe and staying healthy.
I'm thankful for all the random acts of kindness that I'm hearing about. People donating their time and skills, businesses donating their supplies and resources, children making cards for first responders and healthcare workers, neighbors helping neighbors, and the community coming together as a whole to support each other in a positive way. Thank you for being kind.
Hi, I'm thankful for my family, and I'm also thankful for the leadership here in the Emergency Operations Center guiding St. Clair County through this difficult situation.
Hi, this is Dr. Annette Mercatant. I'm grateful for the phenomenal people I'm working with, including the health department staff and everyone here at the EOC. I'm grateful for my dogs and cats because they let me talk to them all night long. And I'm also grateful for the food they bring to the EOC every day so I can eat.
One of the things that this pandemic has made me thankful for is all the people who are reaching out and trying to help others, from the companies that are making the hand sanitizer to the people who are making the masks. Anybody who is volunteering their time to make people's lives just a little bit better. Look out for each other. Be ready.
I'm thankful to all the first responders out there working hard, responding to calls like they do every day, the healthcare professionals taking care of the sick people, and everybody who is handling the food preparation and people working in the grocery stores. Grateful for how the communities come together and for the people who are following the stay home order to keep the COVID-19 from spreading. So thank you all.
Hi, I'm thankful for my family, not only those close to me at home, but also my family here at Emergency Management and the Operations Center, and the opportunity to help the residents of our county get through this COVID-19 situation.
All right, so in this time I'm thankful obviously for all of our first responders, law, fire, EMS, all of our hospital personnel, doctors and nurses and everyone that helps support the hospitals. All of our EMS, paramedics and EMTs are out there on the front lines, taking care of our folks in St. Clair County. And I'm also thankful for the folks in our Emergency Operations Center that work tirelessly day in and day out to make sure we have the most up-to-date information, and we have resources that can be applied to those that need it most. So I'm thankful for all of us that are engaged in this whole process.
I'm thankful for everyone who's on the front lines of this pandemic, and I'm very grateful that I'm able to assist people in their time of need. I also want to give a huge thank you to all our essential workers and everyone who's helping combat this pandemic. Thank you to all those of you who are staying at home and who are staying safe.
Hello, I am very grateful for my family, for the EOC, and for Lake Huron Medical Center.
I am grateful for Justin Westmiller and the other St. Clair County Homeland Security interns. Now we'd like to challenge you to tell us what you're grateful for.